Hello, everyone. Thanks for coming out here today. The news reaching our desks today is that Madagascar has got a cure for this COVID-19, and they are sending it down to Nigeria. We're going to get to the full details in a moment. Before we go straight into the content, I want to say thank you to everyone that have subscribed. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed, do click on the subscribe button down below, and also do give us a thumbs up. Do hit on the like button. So let's just go straight into the content of the news. Madagascar's COVID-19 cure drugs sent to Nigeria. The Republic of Madagascar has offered its herbal drug COVID-19 organics to Nigeria and other African countries. The drug is for prevention and cure of coronavirus. Nigeria's consignment has been sent to Equatorial Guinea, from where it will be airlifted to Abuja. For ease of transportation, African countries were divided into zones, leading to the frightening of Nigeria's consignment to Equatorial Guinea. Nigeria's COVID-19 positive tally moved to 4,399 last night, with 248 new cases announced by the Nigerian Center for Disease Control (NCDC). Lagos recorded 81 cases, followed by Jigawa State 35 and Borno 26 cases to top the chart. Kano recorded 26 cases, followed by Bauchi with 20 cases. There is pressure on the federal government by different medical and scientific organizations to allow the National Institute for Pharmaceutical Research and Development and the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control (NAFDAC) to subject the drug to further analysis. Some others are pushing for clinical trial of COVID organics before being used in the country. The federal government was yet to take a position as of weekend because the AU has mandated its African Center for Disease Control Prevention to review the scientific data gathered so far on the safety and efficacy of the COVID-19 organics. The World Health Organization, WHO, last week insisted that the efficacy of the drug was unproven. Also, as part of the steps to contain COVID-19, the Nigerian Governors Forum has started negotiating with Nigerian Medical Association and National Association of Nigerian Nurses and Midwives on how to source volunteer doctors and health workers. The health workers will help to assist ravaged states in the northwest and northeast, especially Kano, Katsina, Jigawa, Bauchi, Yobe, and Borno states. The chairman of NGF, Dr. Kayode Fayemi, is coordinating the talks with the two professional associations with juicy welfare packages. According to a source who spoke in confidence, the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 has been notified of the offer from Madagascar, and arrangements were being made to bring Nigeria's allocation to Abuja. The source said the consignment of the drug are being distributed to different countries in Africa based on zonal grouping. We have been told that Nigeria's consignment is in Equatorial Guinea, from where it will be airlifted to Abuja. When the herbal drink is brought into the country, we will know the next step, but some medical and scientific organizations are pressuring that the drug be subjected to clinical trial. Some countries like Tanzania, Congo, Brazzaville, Guinea-Bissau, and Equatorial Guinea have subscribed to the drugs. Also, while South Africa has offered to conduct a scientific analysis of the drug, Senegal said it will subject it to clinical trial. I can assure you that the federal government will take the best decision on the drug in the overall interest of Nigerians. Before any food or drug can be administered in this country, there are certain protocols that must be followed. The government will not circumvent these protocols. We want solution. We want the best for Nigerians. On April 28th, the chairman of the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19, Mr. Boss Mustafa, said the nation was ready to give Madagascar's herbal drink a trial. He said, "I want to assure you that whatever is happening in the world, we are mindful of it and we are keeping a tab. I was reading on the experiences in Madagascar of why everybody is drinking some solution that have been prepared. This morning, I was sharing with my wife, and I told her that probably I would request that Mr. President allow us to import a plane load for a trial. We are all navigating an uncharted course. Nobody has ever been on this road before. So every attempt to find solution that will bring succor to our people, be rest assured that this task force is very responsible and will do everything to ensure that we get what will benefit our people, what will help them in the process that we find ourselves today. On the talks with the NMA and the NANMM, Dr. Fayemi said, we have started negotiations on how to secure the services of volunteer health workers to help contain COVID-19 challenges in the Northwest and the Northeast. The reality is that many states in these zones have problem of manpower. We need more volunteer health workers to assist them. We know we can draw these volunteers from the private healthcare sector without hurting the public health sector. We are ready to offer the volunteers good welfare package, including robust incentives and adequate security. Our ultimate goal is to avert trouble in the affected state. This is why we are pulling resources together. So, my people, we've heard it. So, this is what they are planning, what the federal government is planning. They've accepted the Madagascar's COVID-19 cure drug. It's called the COVID organics. COVID organics, that's the name of the herbal drug. And we know right before that some other titled ruler in the country, they've offered some of this cure, but our very country, it's not been accepted, and they're stating here that we're going to accept Madagascar's one. But the key thing they've said here that a lot of people have raised concerns about the efficacy of this drug, if it's gonna be good. Why are they trying to use Nigeria as their trying spot? They have stated that it's going to be tested, and NDLA would NAFDAC will do what they need to do first to see that it is safe as well for the nation. So we've got a few reactions here. I will just read through one of them. Someone here says that this Madagascar stunt has revealed the mental laziness of the typical black Africans. We are good at talking but not doing anything. Madagascar produced their mixture and put it out there while Nigerian alternative medicine practitioners were busy shouting for funding with no samples to be tested for efficacy. Madagascar are a mixed race with blacks in the minority. How come that country is the one making a difference? I am ashamed. What are we doing? Where are our herbalists? This person is wondering where our herbalists are. Like I said, some titled traditional people, they've brought out some things that they feel that will be the cure, but it's not really been accepted by the Presidential Task Force, Mr. Boss Mustafa, and the NDDC, the NCDC chairman, and all of them. But right now, they are looking outside. Madagascar is still an African country. This person is wondering that what is Nigeria doing? We're best at talking. It's another African country just like us that is coming to our aid. Someone else here is saying that I'm surprised to read from NAFDAC that an herbal cure has been submitted to the body for testing. What is all the noise from the people like Professor Maurice and others? Someone else here says that this is an equivalent of various herbs and drugs claim in Nigeria. We didn't support our own, yet we are embracing others. Own hook, line, and sinker. Too bad. Yeah, this person feels like we've not even had the chance to try ours to see how it goes before we're accepting other countries' one. However, it's not be. They said they've told us that they are going to test it, and we'll see how far we go. That it's in the best interest of the country. Like but Mustafa stated, no one has gone through this road before. He stated that it's based on try and error that we're all doing. So let's see how this goes. People, please do leave your take, leave your comment down below in the comment section. I want to say thank you once again to everyone that comes out here. And please, if you haven't yet subscribed, do click on the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Till I come your way again, it's bye for now and God bless.